Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing video of my brand new shoes. They are the Vince Staples Converse collaboration that just restocked last week, and you know, I was unable to get them the first go around, but this time they were available online. Just picked them up. Here's the box. Let's get to opening. It's an exciting time. I did sell my last pair of scissors. Oh, there's a cat in the shot. This is all ruined. Just kidding. We'll keep it going anyway. Even though she's blocking my shot, and she got some stuff on the camera, maybe? I don't even know. Anyway, so there's cat ass. There you go. That was a good one. Cat's in the way. We'll move her out of the way. She's trying to get insta-famous, so we'll see how that goes. But I sold my last pair of scissors to afford these shoes, and so we're going to try to open these with some cat trimmers. Not trimmers like the Kevin Bacon movie, just trimmers like trimming clippers. I don't know. To cut off her claws because they get sharp. But those didn't work. But I could just pull it off. I don't even need scissors. Wow. Anyway, let's get to it. Looks like a decent box. Nice solid cardboard material. Standard packing, shipping label. Yeah, nothing too crazy here. Really, I didn't expect too much, but it would have been nice for Vince to really give me something with the packaging. Well, right off the bat, you see, Nike's thanking us for my order, because Nike owns Converse, which owns Vince Staples. Also, Sprite owns Vince Staples. But this is a return or exchange form, which hopefully I won't even need. But let's open these bad boys up. We got our box. It says Converse with the black on black right there. Looks like a nice black box. Converse.com. Just says Converse. Men's size 10. Women's size 12. We got some paper on top. More packaging. And wow. Oh my goodness, guys. We got some shoes here. Wow. It's like some shoes that you put on your feet. That's, what can I even say? Got the white laces laced up, but comes up with a pair of black laces as well, in case I want to switch it up. We have the left sneaker here. Let's see. And we have the right. Wow, everything's all right. Let's take a little look at these Big Fish All-Stars. Right off the bat, you look at the bottoms. It's unique little soles here with some fish design. Looks kind of like that album cover for Big Fish Theory. Speaking of Big Fish Theory, those words are written in here where you can't even read, but those little orange things, that's supposed to say Big Fish. It's like who even reads shoes anymore? I like the color, nice solid black with the orange trim. Kind of why I went for these. Also, if you look at that insole, it's a cool little design in there. It might be too dark. Yeah, never mind. It's not cool. You guys can't see it, but just got that fish theme going all around. Got a nice little sticker in here that says "Made in the country it was made in." Any guesses? Anybody? China? Laos? Madagascar? Well, I ripped the sticker, but it said made in Vietnam. So if you guessed Vietnam, congratulations. You win nothing. Let's see if I can get the rest of the sticker out. I don't think I can. That might just become a part of the shoe. Nope, I got it. Still made in Vietnam. Just half of it. I don't even know. Double checking, I got men's size 10s. You know, sometimes these shoes just get mixed up in these boxes, but Yep, they're both size 10. Also, it's pretty cool. It says Vince got his name on my shoes on the inside. So actually, Vince must own these. So hopefully I don't lose these because someone might try to return them to a Vince. And that is not me. I'm more of a Vincent myself. But, you know, all in all, I'm really digging the look. I mean, solid black will go with most anything that I can come up with fashion-wise. You know, it's the orange highlight's not too over the top. Because I'm not an over-the-top person, if you do know me. But sliding them on, wow, fits like a glove of the foot. Actually, that's not right because a sock would be a glove of the foot. Would it? Yeah. But no, it fits like a shoe. Might be slightly big, but I'm not too concerned once I get these laces tightened up that it'll be an issue. You know, they're a little chilly because they were just sitting out in the cold on my porch for a good couple hours, but I'm sure that that'll be okay too. They'll get warmed up once they're sitting on my feet for a little bit. So, you can take a little look if I can figure out how to turn my camera around. Those are them on my feet. You know, just some shoesy woozies. And they don't look good right now because they're not laced up. But that's okay. It's been a great video, guys. I might be upside down now. I forget which way I had the camera. No, I had it that way. Yeah, I'm good. But keep on keeping on. I'll leave you with that cat. That's going to be Insta-famous one day. She is licking her genitalia right now. So that's where we're at. See you later.